Hi everybody. Okay, Valentine's Day right around the corner. Are you having a hard time figuring out what you want to make for the man in your life, either your dad, your boyfriend? Well, I've got 3 great gifts that they will love. You can make yourself and it'll be a true hit. So we'd also like you to check out our Amazon gift card giveaway. We're giving away 2 Amazon gift cards worth $100 each. Putting all that information for you in the description below. All right, thanks so much for watching. Of course, we'd love you to subscribe and make sure you comment below. Tell us some things you'd like us to make in the future. Also, click on those post notifications so you know next time that we post a video. Hope you have a great day and happy Valentine's Day.